Hello, this is Patrick Murphy from Quarter Inch Off. I haven't done a video in a long time. We purchased a home so I could build a new shop, and the home needed significant remodeling to make it livable. Now that a lot of that's underway, I'm coming to some projects in the house where I really need my shop. So I'm concentrating now on building my garage shop. So we'll do a quick tour here. Basically, I have a two-car garage with a door to the house and a door to the outside that I've got to work with. So the layout is pretty much going to be dust collection, bandsaw, router table, table saw, storage in the back, and then I'm building a miter station along this wall for storage and more stuff. I've got lumber here to start on the miter saw station, and what I've done is I like what Jay Bates has done for his miter saw station. I like it so much I've actually, I think I've purchased this 3 or 4 times because I keep losing the, the diagrams for it. But Jay's really the master at what he's created here. I'm not copying it exactly. I'm doing something a little bit different. But basically I've drawn out my miter saw station and all the drawers and what I'm going to do with it in size. And what Jay did, he has a 26.5, a 16, and a 48-inch cabinet. I'm going to end up with a 26, a 26, 16, 48, and probably another 26. So rough drawings. So I used a program called Cutlist, which actually lays out all the pieces and parts. So I went into Excel, and for each of the cabinets, I listed out all the parts that I needed. Now for the first iteration, all of this is just what I need for the base cabinets. I haven't decided on what I'm going to do on the top yet. Part of it will decide on what I do, how my miter saw will fit into here. But what the Cutlist program does, it actually lists out each piece you type in and what you need. So for this base build, I need 136 different cuts and pieces. And what it will do, the detail here is impossible to read, but I got it on my computer. For each sheet of plywood that you have, it lets you set out and copy all the pieces you need that you laid out into a piece of plywood so you know where to cut it. For this base build, I need 9 sheets of plywood to cut through. I actually got 10 just in case for mistakes. I'm using 3/4 inch plywood for the build, and again, that will go along that whole wall back there. Everything I have stored in my tool cabinet will go into the miter station. Now for this project, I'm not going to go into detailed videos on how to do this. Jay sells great plans that you can purchase, that you can build your own and then customize to your heart's desired. It's not a lot of complicated stuff, but he takes the math out of a lot of things. Now, one thing with his design, I'm actually doing my cabinet's 35 inches high, which is a little bit higher than what he's doing, just because that's a comfortable level for me, and the storage options I wanted for the base of the cabinets, I wanted 35 inches high. So basically any piece of wood I put on my miter saw station to cut will start at 35 inches and go on up, and then we'll go from there. So I'll do a snippet of videos here and there to get back into A, recording videos, and B, to show you what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. So thank you for subscribing, and hope to see you soon.